Hello and welcome to Too Sharp with ET. I'm Nisha Poddar. Now, the top two news developments of the day that you must know about are India eyes tariff cut on more than half of US imports, and are Swiggy and Zomato losing momentum in an increasingly competitive market? It's India's $23 billion trade gamble with the US. According to an exclusive report filed by Reuters, New Delhi is prepared to significantly reduce the tariffs on more than half of US imports valued at over $23 billion. This move is part of a deal to avoid the retaliatory tariffs threatened by the US president. If Trump's reciprocal global tariffs come into effect on 2nd of April, an estimated 87% of India's exports to the US, worth about $66 billion, could be affected. Here's what we know about the deal as has been reported by Reuters. India is willing to reduce or completely eliminate tariffs currently ranging from 5 to 30% on over 55% of American imports. Now, the push for this agreement gained momentum during Prime Minister Modi's visit to the US in February, with now negotiations led by the US trade representatives who arrived in Delhi this week. So, New Delhi has set clear conditions. Let's take you through those. No tariff cuts will be made on products like meat, maize, wheat, or dairy products, where duties can be as high as 60%. However, some of the reductions may be really considered for almonds, pistachios, oatmeal, and quinoa. A phased approach to auto tariffs is also being discussed, and these tariffs currently, remember, exceed 100%. So officials informed Reuters that pharmaceuticals and auto exports, which really constitute a significant portion of India's shipments to the US, are particularly vulnerable to US retaliation. Now, the analysts suggest that India may be leveraging Trump's pressure as an opportunity to implement its long overdue, politically sensitive tariff reforms. All eyes will be on Indo-US trade talks. Zomato and Swiggy face challenges as brokerages turn bearish. That has really impacted the stock prices. Shares of Zomato as well as Swiggy fell by up to 5% on Wednesday after Bank of America Securities or BofA Securities downgraded both stocks, citing the increasing losses and also sluggish growth in the quick commerce sectors. Here's the breakdown. Swiggy was downgraded to underperform, with its price target reduced to about 325 from 425 earlier, and the stock reached an intraday low of around 326. Zomato was downgraded from buy to neutral with a revised target of 250 rupees, down from 300, and the stock fell below 200 rupees intraday, down over 5%. And BofA's reasoning? Well, quick commerce is experiencing ongoing competition and diminishing cash flows, with projected FY 26-27 EBITDA could be 20 to 50% lower than the consensus estimates. Earlier this week, Macquarie also raised concerns favoring the restaurant chains like Devyani International and Westlife Food World over the platforms-based delivery models. Currently, both Swiggy as well as Zomato are facing pressures from expanding dark store networks, also rising capital expenses, and the impending IPOs of Zepto and Big Basket. So the valuations have become a significant concern. Zomato is down over 32% from the peak of 304 rupees. Swiggy has dropped 46% from its recent high and is now trading below its IPO price of 390 rupees. While ICICI Securities and JM Financial maintain optimistic view, the overall sentiment on the street is cautious about these companies. Jog your memory to Zomato management's commentary, which highlighted intense competition in quick commerce business and demand pressure on food delivery business. With that, it's a wrap on Too Sharp with ET. Thanks so much for tuning in.